until Monday, December 17th. At 1 p.m. Saturday, the stage was 370.3 feet. Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecasted. Maximum forecast stage of 370.2 feet on Saturday, December 15th. Flood stage is 370.0 feet. At 370.0 feet, Coffee Landing Road is flooding just north of Basin Creek and toward Box Elder Drive. Campsites just north of the mouth of Basin Creek are flooding. Box Elder Drive is flooded. Access to sites along Barkview Lane is cut off. Diamond Island Drive is flooded at Mud Creek just west of Camille Slough Road. West end of Cross Pond Road is flooding. Slough just east of Wilkinson Ferry Drive across the river from Saddle is beginning to flood.